The power upgrade is ideal for those who are looking to get the maximum volume out of their hearing aids. All power upgrade kits include one thick tube, one earhook adapter to connect the thick tube to your hearing aid, and 3 sizes of mushroom domes including 14, 12, and 9 mm. To connect the thick tubing, first, remove the thin tubing from your hearing aid by pinching the hard clear plastic pyramid attached to the hearing aid and turning counterclockwise until it is removed. Attach the earhook where the thin tube was by placing it on top of the grooves and turning it clockwise until it fits snugly and is aligned with the hearing aid. Now, grab the thick tubing, choose the suitable dome, and push it on to the thick tube. Hang the hearing aid over the top of your ear, with just the earhook attached. Gently push the dome end of the tube into your ear canal until it fits snugly and comfortably. Hold the open end of the tube up to the earhook, noting that there is an extra length of tubing. Mark where the tube overlaps the earhook by about 3/16 of an inch. Trim off any unneeded tubing. It may help to have a friend assist with this step. Finally, connect the tube to the earhook by gripping the earhook and firmly pushing it until it is securely attached. Now you can easily insert the hearing aid in your ear and hear more volume than before. If you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email at support@advancedaffordablehering.com.